In today's video, I will be making nutty strawberry cupcakes, and they're nutty because they have almonds on top of that. So let me show you how I make them. They're delicious. Once the cupcakes are fully done, make sure you do not remove them out of the baking mold for at least 10 minutes. Let them cool down and then take them out and put them on top of a cutting board. This will prevent the bottom of the cupcakes becoming all wet and soggy. So this is the way they look like. They're fully done now and they're ready to be eaten. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye.